Good morning, guys. We are starting our morning off at the galley. This is our first morning on Virgin Voyages, and we are just taking it all in and enjoying the view. So every morning we had breakfast at the galley. So this is our first morning. Yes, we have on our pajamas since we missed the party last night. We just put our pajamas on and went to breakfast. Babe is getting something to drink. They have different soda. They have juice right there to my left. They have a coffee and a tea bar. Babe is gonna whip me up some coffee really quick. And now we are enjoying this delicious food. Babe got like a bento box with yogurt. Okay, guys, this is our first breakfast here at the galley. And I have this burrito situation. I got a bento box with fruit. Babe got like a Greek yogurt parfait situation going on. We got some coffee right here and some orange juice.
Thank you so much. I appreciate you.
You sure? And you have this. The bagel, they will just send it. Yep.
Okay, thank you. So the food just got delivered. Babe got a breakfast with toast, and we both got spicy ramen bowls because it's taste the bowl. And here's my burrito. The burrito is good. Hello.
It's a shame. I'm kind of swinging a little too hard. It's like one of the restaurants in Fort Davis. That's a lot of money.
Wait, please. You definitely belong here. Belong all over this ship, boo. All over. Okay, guys, so they are playing music in this area. I'm not really sure what this area was. It looked like a bar or, just seating. So Babe was just saying that the boat was so fancy, he felt like he didn't belong there. And I was just reassuring him that he belonged all over this boat, right? It's free. Hi. Chocolate, orange ricotta. Ooh, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, thank you. Can I have the
Well, while she's thinking, I will try the malted strawberry milkshake, please. I'll take it.
Coffee, right?
Yes. It's good? Thank you.
Thank you. This is mozzarella tomato sauce. White truffle and egg, chicken pesto.
I'm getting pepperoni
Okay.
and mushrooms. You know how I do. Let them out, baby.
Oh, I'm sorry.
This is cute. Oh, look at the bar. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, we can walk over there. Are you so scary? Like somebody gonna say, get out of here. Oh, but this the holes that we saw. The holes from when we were above. This is beautiful. Hi. Squid Ink, that's the tattoo parlor. Booty free. This is the infamous tattoo parlor here. Oh, there's the casino.
Yeah, you take it on weekly. You don't take it right now. So we deliver it to housekeeping on last day of business.
Okay.
So you get it to your room at like 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock?
Yeah.
Shake.
What?
You see that?
Y'all take cash?
No, we don't.
I knew it.
If you want to pay with cash, though, it's honestly. So they only have this
Oh, Gary. It's a salon right here. And then it's Matt right here. What? They have hats and backpacks and... I know, right? Mosquito spray and soap and stuff.
What?
What's wrong?
Yeah,
Huh? What'd you say, babe? Oh.
Hey, what's up, bro? That's pretty cool.
They got pads and pen liners and toys. Band-aids and stuff. $3 for that soap. That's not bad. Snacks. Oh, babe, this is the chocolate that we like. The Dove. Almond Joy.
What time are you guys close? You guys open all night or y'all?
Yeah, today.
Carlos, I'm close! Practice right now. 1, 2, 3. Fantastic. Rule number 4, folks, is when you inevitably get that lofty bingo. Stand up for me, wave your hands in the air and say, "Yas, bingo." Practice right now. 1, 2, 3. Yas, bingo. The hand. Yes. They're from Tennessee. Okay. Didn't expect that, did ya? She's a little spicy. Very good. I gotta come up here, give some love to my people up here in the cheap seats. How you doing up here, everybody?
Oh, she's in the cheap
Nice. Give us another number now. What's next?
073.
073.
Stand up if you're close.
We're getting close. I love
How's
that.
you?
How are we doing up here? And I'm gonna rap. Here I go. No, I'm not.
Here's your next number though.
Yes.
067.
067. A lot of people.
Hey y'all, we are back in the galley. They are playing music, so I wanted to do this voiceover. As you can see, I'm eating sushi and fruit and a Coke. I'm not sure what babe is, but he's probably getting something for me. I have a little mug so that I could put my coffee in because I like to be fancy. And here is the view, which we love. We ate so much that I had to wake babe up and tell him to let's go to the gym. Now, if I'm initiating a gym session, then that's how you know it's bad. But anyway, that show what we were watching, it was called like Bingo with the Diva or something in that nature. So here we are getting our workout in, and as you guys can see, babe always goes hard when he works out. Look at how he's sweating, and look at me. I got the fan on and everything, and here he is flexing his muscles. We had a good time spending some quality time together, you know, doing what he loves. Here I am checking myself out while babe's still going at it. This was a sea day, so we just explored the boat. And here we are at Extra Virgin. So here we have some bread with some different jams, I believe, for us to try. The bread itself was good, so I enjoyed it alone. We also have this meat platter, and that cheese surprisingly was good. I'm not a cheese girl, and OMG, here is the best calamari I've ever tasted in my life. Babe got some ravioli stuff right here, but back to the calamari because that junk was good.
I'm ready, come on. Cheers. with y'all for. Amen.
So babe got some fish and some oxtail ravioli. I tried the oxtail ravioli as well. I got the steak. It was delicious. And here we are doing boomerangs. And now we are going outside. Check your girl out.
Love.
Babe was hyping me up. Let's see what he's talking about.
Picture. That's what you get. Oh, this man blood. Okay, there we go. Okay, give it.
What kind of music is this?
I don't know. So everybody, we in the middle of pretty much nowhere right now. The Virgin part up top. And we headed south, somewhere in the middle of the Caribbean. We're having fun, y'all. A baddie right there. Can't get no better than that.
So after walking around, we finally found the arcade, and it's not that big, but the games are all free. And they were also having karaoke in this little area. As you can see, the girl with the white shirt performing. She did an amazing job. We saw her later on the boat and told her how well she performed. So here are some live photos of our day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely have more footage. This is only day 2, which was a sea day. So comment down below and let me know what's on your mind after watching this video. Thank you so much. Bye.